The draft angle calculator for injection molding helps you determine the optimal draft angle needed for successful part ejection from your mold. Let's walk through the inputs. First, you'll enter your part depth and select the unit from the drop-down menu. You can choose between millimeters and inches. For this example, I'm using millimeters. Next is material type, with options including ABS, polyethylene, polypropylene, and polystyrene, PVC, nylon, polycarbonate, and acetal. I'll select ABS for this demonstration. The third input is surface finish, where you can select from smooth, semi-smooth, textured, or rough, each corresponding to different SPI finish grades. I'm choosing textured for our example. After entering these parameters and clicking Calculate Draft Angle, the calculator processes your inputs to determine the recommended draft angle. The results section displays the calculated draft angle required for your specific combination of part depth, material, and surface finish. This angle ensures proper part release without damaging the mold or the finished part. The calculator accounts for material shrinkage characteristics and surface texture requirements to provide an accurate recommendation for your injection molding design. Find the link in the description below.